What's up, guys? Today we are going to be assembling and unboxing the Echo safety helmet for you arborists and brush trimmers. You know, let's see what happens here. Always comes with the instructions. The only thing that I found that was a little bit tough was getting the snaps in. Those snaps are the biggest pain in the ass. As you can tell, it already came out. So like, what am I supposed to do? It's a good system, but these things just keep falling out. And I don't understand. They have the clicking mechanism, but it's not there. It just doesn't want to stay. It's also kind of a shitty instruction manual, because the only thing that actually tells you to do anything is how to do the screen. And the screen is like, it's like the easiest thing. So, after struggling to put these guys in, we got it. Tighten it to my head. And we're ready to roll. It's not bad, it's pretty comfortable. And like, it does feel like it's gonna topple over, but like, you have this thing on the back, you can adjust and tighten it. You're good. You're good. Now, you can go cut some brushes. These trays. All this tray. You know? This is the one time that I'm gonna hate on an Echo product. But just these straps and like little connectors for your head are not the best. Other than that, it's solid. Like, it's a good unit. That's the review and unboxing of the Echo safety helmet plus mesh shield and ear protection. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye. Okay, here it is. I messed up, and I was gonna give a review, and I put together this Echo helmet, and I put it together wrong. So it's very funny because it's almost a year since I made the video, and we're going to just put it together properly. And I have been using it not built proper. So, okay, here we go. Okay, once this is all apart, these are the only things that I put together properly. So let's start with this piece. So it goes inward like this. So you hear it click on both sides. Easy. Now this is the one where I was getting like upset with, because I was like, I don't understand how this is supposed to go. And well, I put it in straight on, thinking that it would be going in like this. But you have to bend and then put in. So I'll show you. Back of the helmet, back of the thing. This is how we're gonna put it in. But now, bend. And it should click. Like that. Oh my God. And same, bend and click. And then bend and click. And then bend and click. And now it looks like a normal helmet, which it now acts like a normal helmet too. Like, it doesn't do what I was like complaining. It actually is working. Everything that I said that I didn't like, it's all different. So I'm super glad that now I can wear a more comfy helmet when cutting down brush and everything. So this is exciting. And honestly, it just sits better. Like, oh my God. It just goes to show that you should read the instructions or look it up online as well. So that's the video and my review.